Hello, we are now going to learn how map layout is created. Here is a DEM. We will first clip our area of interest, which is Bhopal region. Our input layer is the DEM, and mask layer is shapefile of Bhopal. Now we will check box the keep resolution of input raster. Click on run. Here is the clipped area we needed. Now we will remove the layers which is of no need. Click on project and select new print layout for creating the map. I am providing the title as map. Now we will set the page orientation as A4 in portrait. We will select the map area in which we want to display the map, and then we will import the map. Now we will add OSM layer as base so that the map looks aesthetic and we can get an idea of the area. In the left panel we can see that there are a number of tools. We will select the zoom level according to our need. Here I am setting it manually by changing the scale of the map. It will take some time depending upon the experience you have with map scales. Selecting the hand tool will not let the scale of map change, instead it will fix the scale. Now we will add item. The first one is to add scale bar. We'll segment it in 3 parts. This is the locking and unlocking feature of the map items. You can lock and unlock items as per your convenience. I am adding a frame to enhance the map shapes. Now we will add north axis label. You can customize the image as per your need. I am filling the color for better display. Now I will add legend to our map. I want it to be for different elevations, so I will change the number of classes. Also I will rename the legend entries as per my need and will remove the not needed ones. We will uncheck the auto update to delete the entry. We can change the font and display of the legend entries. Here we will do rendering with the band data to make it look beautiful. I am adding legend entries as per my need. Now we will add label to our map to let user understand what the map is all about. Using the empty spaces in the map for our need is a property of a good cartographer. Text format can be changed as per our need. Align it as per the space. Now our map layout creation part is almost over. We have covered the basics to let you understand how it is done. Now we will export it as image.